Now to images of the flooding. Still reeling from the last flood rains, parts of Clarendon were again battered during the latest bout of heavy rainfall. TVJ's KRISTA Campbell was in the seaside community of Rocky Point.
A night of heavy, steady rainfall in Rocky Point, and this is the result. The football field at the community center again flooded. When TVJ News visited last week, work was underway to prevent further flooding. Southeast Clarendon MP Roddy Spencer had also promised to address once and for all the drainage problem, which is largely said to cause the constant flooding in the community. But not for the first time, residents say some of their neighbors have a hand to play as well.
You see the plastic bottles, the foam box, the foam cups, and all those Pampers too. Are those blocking the drain. Those are the things that blocking the drain, that banking back the water on us.
The rain come down like for about 6 hours last night, straight. Hard. Only power house around us to flood out, you understand? For me place almost flood out, some neighbors beside me flood out. So, I try see if I can make the water run a little bit faster.
Oh, I was frightened when I wake up and see the water. I put down my foot and then I feel the water. I was frightened. Then I open the door.
Water coming in my house and flood out everything out of my house. Wash out me all my shoes and me see I wash out me have to catch them and put them in a scandal bag and tie them. Cup, plate, bath, basin, drum, everything that can catch water. I have to jar for.
Place all alligator down there in the water now, you know. And I cold boat. So not we afraid for walk come out on the road. So we have to just stay in.
And the flooding is great. It's the Jamaican version of Venice, Italy, here in Rocky Point, Clarendon. A competition between water and road, and the water is winning. It's up to the doorsteps of businesses and houses, forcing residents to wade through knee-deep water. A dangerous practice health authorities keep urging persons, especially children, not to do because of the diseases they can contract from walking in polluted water.
Then can do better still, you know, because what I'm saying, the water come right through their houses, so they have to walk in it. You understand? And the funniest thing about it, there are not a lot of toilets, so them do the feasting on the ground then. So this water is not good enough for us.
The rains have brought some slight relief from the mosquitoes, which had been causing major discomfort for residents. But the people are worried about what's to come when the showers end. KRISTA Campbell, TVJ News.